It is legal counsel time now here on Eyewitness News. Good Wednesday morning, everyone. If you have a question for Attorney Charlie O'Hara, call us. 436-1212 is the phone number to get your question in on this Wednesday morning. Good morning, Charlie.
Good morning.
Appreciate you coming as always.
Sure.
Let's get to the phones. We have two callers on the line. Good morning. What's your question for Charlie?
Hello.
Hello. What's your question?
In 1992, my dad died. He had an irrevocable trust. My sister was executor. She told us at the time that there wasn't any money left due to medical bills and whatever. 2 years ago, she went to an oil company and signed a document for get mineral rights. She has the mineral rights to land. She also, in the past year, I've talked to her, she's been sending me $500 and said that the trust left me $6,000 and been giving me $500 a month. Is there anything I can do about it, because she lied about it and there's hundreds of $1,000s involved?
Well, I mean, if she's lied and hasn't told you the truth about it, then you probably need to get an attorney and go to court. I mean, when someone passes away, if there's sufficient monies in an estate, it should be probated and go through court. And if somebody's been the executor and is lying about what's going on, then you need to go to court and get that straightened out. The alternative you have before you go to an attorney is to ask her to give you the paperwork. Now, that, assuming she'll be honest and give you the right paperwork, you could ask for that. But I would investigate that. If somebody's lying to you about money and what money's in there, you better check that out. So either do it yourself, or probably the preferable way would be to get a hold of an attorney and hire an attorney to do that.
Thanks for your call. We appreciate it. Remember, if you have a question, 436-1212 is the number to call. Back to the phones now. Good morning. What's your question today? Good morning. You have a question for Charlie?
Yes. I'm in the nursing program currently, and I had a misdemeanor charge from back in 2004, and I just got that expunged. So I wanted to know, as far as, like, I know certain things can still access them arrest records, but I wanted to know if I was just applying for a simple job at their grocery store or something, would that show up on my record?
Okay, well, expunged means that if you have a crime that you've been convicted of, you can have it taken off your record. So legally, it never happened. The problem is, in today's society, with the internet and everything else, a lot of people that check for employers, or employers that check, are able to find that even though it's been expunged. So legally, it doesn't exist, but they can find out whether you've been convicted or not. So actually, if you go in to apply for a job, you can say you've never been convicted because it's been taken off your record and it didn't happen. So you can say that, but an employer may very well find it.
They can still, as we say all the time, Charlie, with that internet, nothing is really hidden, right?
No, everything's changed, and you need to be really careful of that, especially in social media and things like that.
All right, thanks for your question. We appreciate it. And we will have legal counsel for you again next week. Call us, 436-1212. Charlie, have a good one.
Thank you.
We won't see you next week. We'll see you the week after.
Yes, Chris will be here.
Yeah, we'll enjoy you.
Okay,
we enjoy Chris, too.